Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are updating our Nerf Rival MXX-1200 Charger. Okay, so as mentioned from our previous video, we only have one rail available for us, right? So we got this sight right here for the top rail right there. We are also updating our current Type-C batteries to these GP 1.5 volts Type-C batteries right here. And as you can see, we also have purchased a number of rival rounds right here. There we go guys. So we have put in our new set of fresh batteries from GP. That would be now 1.5 volts from our previous, which was just 1.2. So we would see if there's any changes from that. We have also loaded our new set of rival rounds. And of course our sweet sight right there with the on and off option for the crosshair right there. We'll be testing that out later as well. So for now, I'll show you on the screen right here the previous scores from our chronograph with our previous set of batteries. So now we'll see if there's any difference with our new set of 1.5 volts batteries. So we're going to fire up our chronograph again and get our new set of results. So here are our results right here. So as you can see, there's a bit of significant change in performance in terms of the FPS right here if we compare it with the set of batteries from before. So now we have a max of 73.4 FPS and we have an average of 63 FPS. So that's great in terms of the upgrade from the ammo and the new set of GP 1.5 volts batteries right there. So now let's do some test firing. So there you go, guys. So you've seen that our updates on our Nerf Rival MXX-1200 charger right here are pretty much right here. We updated the batteries to 1.5 volts, and of course all our new Rival rounds right there. And last but definitely not the least, our sight or scope on our one and only top rail right there. Unfortunately, the only thing significant from this update is the batteries. As you have seen, the FPS of our Nerf Rival charger changed and shot up a bit, right? Based on the chronograph test we did earlier. The scope, although it looks great, but it really isn't that consistent. And in terms of accuracy, the accuracy of our Nerf Rival charger right here remains the same. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our updates to our Nerf Rival charger right here. And we're going to see on the next video if we can do somewhat a longer and bigger firing session like the one we did with the 100 darts challenge, right? So now using our Nerf Rival charger right here. So if you have inquiries and comments, please put them all down below. Do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf videos like this one, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.